Hi, my name is Jyotiranjan Mohanty. I'm going to start the top 100 interview question about the data structure algorithm. So today is the first question I'm starting for the interview. So you will be keep updating this like interview question one by one. So from the initial stage, I'm like taking some random question, like from the like random and easy question also. But after some time, I will be like taking some difficulty and medium level question. So let's start. So this problem statement is a merge sorted to array. Here it is giving the two array, like the first array and the second array. We need to merge the two array according to that sorted thing. Because this R2 array also sorted, we need to merge them and we'll be giving that one another the final sorted array. So here like I'm here the first array is 1, 2, 3 and second one is 2, 5 and 6. According to that, these are the two sorted array. Then we will be compare each of the element like 1 and 2. Which one is smaller? Then first is 1. Then again it will be compare like 1 and 2. One is sorted, so 1 is pushed. Again it should be 2 or 2. These are similar. Then again it should be push 2. Then it should be compared 3. Then it should be again 2 is the like minimum value. Again it should be 3 and other rest are whatever present inside the last which is present inside the array. Then you need to put according to this like this. So this one is the will be get the final sorted array that merging two array. So here is main thing is like here it is be giving that it should be non-decreasing order that sorted, and here it should be sorted not to be return another function. We need to sorted the not return a function, but instead of sorted inside array norms to accommodate this norms has length m plus 1, you are finding the first length and merge to length. Here is saying that like we did not like take any extra success. You can put it all the sorted array in the norms one also, and not to return anything. It should be like take care of the things. So let's start how it's working and how it will be implementing. The first one I am giving that to using the extra phase, and it should be also like that. I will be telling about the time complexity as well. So let's start. So first of all, I'm taking that answer array. That should be first of initial state. It should be empty, and I am taking that I index should be 0 and let j equal to 0. Why I'm taking that final array, that whatever sorted thing will be happening inside, I will be storing inside my array, and I should be 0. Like I am taking the first pointer, my first point initial pointer from the left, like our nums array, and j should be the second array of the right left pointer. It should be pointing one by one, like it should be starting from here, it should be starting from here. We will be comparing this thing and you will be keep moving one by one. So let's start 5 so we'll be take one file loop, and I should be less than because I the left hand side of nums one, so it should be m, and also j should be less than n. Then we need to do some operation here. We'll compare here if that nums of I is less than or equal to nums 2 of I. Then if it's less, then I need to push my inside my answer that nums 1 of I. And again, if it is not true, then if it is not true, then I need to push my answer array. I need to push that nums 2 of I. Here I'm pushing that 2 of I, and here I'm pushing nums 2 of j. Here nums 1 of I, 2 of j, and here increment also happening I plus plus, and here j plus plus. If it is true, then I am pushing that one value, and I should be increment 1 to 2. Then if it is true, then again it should be 2. Then it should be, if it is true, then it should be j should be pointing to here. then it should be pushing that element inside my answer, then j should be increment. And here the like it should be till consideration till I should be m or j should be m. If that is true, then it should be keep incrementing. After the end, that should be possible, like might be possible that all the array inside the first one uh, inside the answer, but the second one not inside the answer. So I need to take care of this thing. Then I need to take another loop separately. I don't know which array should be empty or not. So I need to first take care of this one, that answer of I and this one. And second one, I am take care of this one. J should be less than N. And here answer to push that J. Each and every time, whenever it should be checked that if I less than M, like and that means that all the present inside element, like the left hand side, that should be not all the elements should be pushed inside like answer. Then we need to push all the element and I should be included. If it's not true, then it should be checked again. J if like less than n, like all the elements inside the second array, it should not push inside that answer array in this loop. That we need to push, because this one is sorted. Then we need to push according to that. It should be in sorted manner. So, and the last for loop we can do that. Here it's saying that we need not to like do anything for the extra space. Like we need to take care of this thing. Whatever present inside the things in the answer array, I need to take care the answer dot length and keep like nums of one of I equal to answer of I. Whatever present inside nums of I, I'll be replace those value with my answer I. And it should be not returning anything. I think it should be working. So here 1, 2, 3, 2. Okay. Well, here is the mistake. I think y less than equal to num stroke z. Okay, z nums 1 of I, num stroke z. Okay, fine. I think it will be okay with it. Yeah, I am getting the answer. If I go to the sum bit, then yeah, it's accepted also. Here is the first Rapus. Like I am done that first Rapus to do this one, this method. This method I am using that answer of array like that extra space. If I not need not to take that answer array for the extra space, then I am also like using that another method also. That video should be lengthy, so I am also have that code. So I need to paste it here and show you how it's working. And it's also similar kind of thing, but a little bit thing will be happening. So here my first current, I take a current value. My current should be m plus n minus one. Whatever inside the my first array m and n, that all the element including this, it will be my current. Like it will be whole the length of like kind of answer array. That I should be from the last index and j should be from the last index I'm taking m minus 1 n minus 1, and it will be keep going on till 0, and it will be also 0. And if it is true, then I'll be keep moving in towards this array. Like it should be check that nums of 2 like this array and array of this and array of this, which one is greater, because we are putting the last element, then it should be keep moving inside the from greater element to like smaller element. So which one is greater, then push inside the norms of current. Here norms of current means norms of current, like it should be 7. It should be starting from here. And here I am replacing the value of 6. Then again, it should be checking which one is greater, 3 or 5. And j should be like minus 1, it should be keep moving. And here which one is greater, like 5 is greater, then I need to push my norms 1 of current the of norms 2I. After the end, I keep current minus 1, like it should be from here to here, here, it will be keep going on, and it will replace all the value according to that length and whatever it should be that happen. Like it should be 6 and 3, After that 6 and 3 it should be 6, then it should be push 6, then it should be 5, then after 3 and 2 it should be push 3, after 3 it should be keep moving on here. My I counter should be minus minus, it should be here, then it should be check this one and this one, which one is greater, then it should put here also, it should be changing the value. And after the end what I'm doing, if that my all the element inside that z, if it's present inside here, then I did not do anything, because all the element inside the norms also present inside my norms. It should be take care of all these things. It should be also sorted manner. If j has some element is also present, then we need to whatever the I should be position, that position, with that position I am taking and like keep incrementing my j value, like norms of current are equal to norms of j and j minus minus till it till go to 0, and current minus minus, that position should be minus minus also. At the end I am getting that answer also. If I keep run 4, here I am getting also answer. If I submit, it will submit. Here I am not taking any extra space like any array. It is very fast also according to that problem statement. You can use both the method, that is okay. But this one is like using the extra space, and this one is using not any extra space. So that's for today. So thank you for seeing my video. So in the upcoming video I will be tell about more question about the interview. So this video is starting from a top interview question from 100 question. So thank you.